Earn money online by using these tips. Have you always dreamed of making money online? A lot of people are doing it right now. There are many opportunities on the internet which you can take advantage of. This video will show you what you should look out for when searching for that golden opportunity to make money. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Organize your days to include specific work hours. You have to be disciplined if you're going to make income online. This is no quick fix to tons of cash. Hard work each day is required. Determine a time frame in which you work each and every day. Just an hour each day can add up over time. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Make good use of your free time. You don't need to be too focused on certain online money-making ventures. For example, you can earn money performing simple tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Many of these can be done while sitting in front of the TV. You're not going to make a whole bunch of money with these things, but it can help you to earn a little when you're bored. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. Create income from multiple sources if possible. Making a significant amount of money online can be tricky. You may have one lucrative job that simply disappears tomorrow. So diversify your talents and work on having a few smaller income streams rather than just one large one. This makes sure you don't put all your eggs in one basket. You can see that making money online is very possible. You just need good information to point you in the right way. Just remember that you will need to put in time and effort on it. Nothing will be handed to you on a silver platter. However, if you put in the effort, you will reap your rewards. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.